Masinoma.
Oriri atongoria kuma miaho itiganite ya kiuteti mathiite na mbere na kambini cia kumathira kura aria mararirukia bendera ciama cia ithurano-ini nini cia kiumia giukite. Mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni ahithuritie ati thirikari iri na njama ya gugathoga maumirira ma ithurano icio niguo kuiyukia uhotani. Mugaru na wendi wa muingi wa icigo icio ria itanya riao ni kugia na mweke wa gwithurira atongoria aria marenda makamarugamirira.
They receive instructions through the CEO Marjan, what's her name? Marjan receives instructions from State House through the former commissioner who is in charge of ICT, who is Ruto's political advisor. So it doesn't care about the opposition reaching out to us. It doesn't. We would gladly want, by the way, I'm telling you, after all this, we are going to go ourselves and sit with them and tell them it is not about them. It's about the country.
Kalonzo agwetete murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ino ya IEBC Marjan Hussein tagukoro ari urahuthirwo ni thirikari ya President Ruto guthoga mihango ya kamiti ino. Kuona ni athiriti no umwe wa atari ya President Ruto thingira-ini wa iregino uria wanatungata ta commissioner wa kamiti ino ya ithurano.
We are speaking about one thing, the credibility of the forthcoming November 27th by-elections and the 2027 general election, and sealing the very loopholes that have in the past been used to compromise Kenyans' voters or votes. Electioneering, fellow Kenyans, is a process and must cover the whole electoral cycle, starting from voter registration.
Uhithuri uyu wa Kalonzo ukite oriri kamiti ya IEBC ikoretwo ikiamukira maratathi ma guikiria kura ma ithurano ici ciukite. Undu uria naguo Kalonzo okireire akiuga IEBC irahuthira kambuni ya Otimofu gucabithia maratathi maya ma guikiria kura na thengia wa ukorwo kandarathi yao ni athirire mwaka muhituku.
At the by-election level, I need to be convinced I may be wrong. Did we have to go to print in Greece when in the first place the framework contract expired? Could we not have used either government printer, for example, with everybody there watching, right? And then spare the country 27 million shillings.
Ciĩgiĩ wĩyandĩkithia wa aikia kura Kalonzo augĩte IEBC nĩ wegondereire harĩ wĩra wayo wa gũthomithia mũingĩ bata wa kwĩyandĩkithia ta aikia a kura. Noguo gĩtũmi gĩa gwĩkururia kũrĩa gũkoretwo kuonekete kwa andũ kwĩyumĩria kwĩyandĩkithia.
Sisi hatununui uoga, are we afraid? Are we afraid? We are here to get things right for this country once and for all.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura Wagunya.